Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We got a little early celebration going off. I know you guys can't see much right now. It's pitch black at night. Just out here with a few pyro buddies. Hey, what's the name of this one?
Oh, these are them wonderful salute rockets.
Oh, that's right. Salute rockets, good old boys. I think I'm gonna stand back over here just in case. Stand back behind a wall. There we go. Nice. There goes the second one. Yep, they go to alarms, baby. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. What'd you think? It was great.
It's always a beautiful thing to see some pretty take off like that with a nice little flash fan.
Oh, definitely. Now, I know you guys can't see us out here, which is the sole purpose. And so, what's this next one? This is a salute?
Well, this is what we like to call southern hospitality around here. What we do is
Southern hospitality, right?
Cake action.
Love you guys to finally see me. There we go. What the heck was that?
It's a little off.
That's a little off. All right, guys. So I'm here with some people. So what do we got here
we
tonight?
got the pyros enthusiast here.
All right. So what do we got?
You need what?
Yeah, call this out, man.
We're not going to show this here because we can't show this. This is some of the best, some of the nice stuff that you just try to get your hands on. It comes every now and then. When it comes to this cake, these cakes are just awesome. 2016 is the wonderful year for heavy hitters. You want to be exclusive about the stuff you get, you'll rock your show. Everybody gets one of the fountains and canisters, Roman candles. We need to turn inside our cakes. A pyromano. What we do here. Bless you. Bless you. You ready? Little rip. Alright, folks. Fireworks tonight.
Come on, my people are looking in the dark here. I don't know what's going on. Nice. Good wind conditions to blow the smoke away. Sweet. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.